Hi, hello, welcome to Cyberworld's YouTube channel. Yeah, today I am going to give you the demo about overall cybersecurity. Not only cybersecurity, but also different security technologies also. So, in this particular demo, I give the agenda of the whatever the sessions I am going to take and introduction of myself and demo. If you have any doubts, please ping in the comments sections. I will give you the replies. So, coming back to the introduction, this is Vijay. I have 7 years plus of experience in cybersecurity technologies like cybersecurity, SOC, ethical hacking, VAPT. I am going to give you the demo of cybersecurity and SOC. So, first of all, uh, today the next slides, coming to this slide, IT technologies. In this particular scenario, what I want to explain, so as per 2024, as per Greek website, for the couple of ISACA and ISCAR or European Council and the PROC related in this overall technologies, what are the what are the leading technologies available are, these are the leading technologies, right? These eight are the leading technologies. Um, when in this machine learning and AI are the topmost technologies all over the world and IT industries also. Okay, and the next one is data science or big data or data analyst and so on is in the second list. And the third one is cloud computing like AWS, Azure. AWS means Amazon Web Services, Azure is the Microsoft, and GCP is the for Google, and some of them are Alibaba and Oracle, IBM also is there, and like that so on. And the fourth one is cyber security. When I say cyber security, it includes not only the cyber security, but also it includes other securities technologies also as well. I will give in-depth analysis about fourth point. So, what are the different types of technologies we do have? How we are expands, how we are collaborate or coordinate with other teams, and what is the importance of cybersecurity and so on. Let's fifth one is Python, and sixth one is quantum computing, and seventh one is evergreen programming languages and in the IT technologies like C, C++, Java, full stack developers, and VLSI is the designing part. Okay, and the eighth one is ERP platform, SAP, Power BI, and so these are the training technologies as per the 2024. And the next slide is going to uh, cybersecurity SOC. We are going to learn about this one. And going to this part, some these are the abbreviations or definitions in the cybersecurity and the SOC. What is the cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting devices, network, and programs from digital attacks. The goal of cybersecurity is reduce the risk of unauthorized access to personal information, theft, damage, or dispute of the services. In this part, this is protecting of data of the organization or belongs to the personal information also. We have to protect the data from the attackers means hackers. So the hackers are try to attack the organization or individual persons also to steal the data. We have to secure the data. In this part we cover this one. And the SOC is also called a security operations center. And they are also called as security analyst and information analyst also. Like in this, the function of security operations center SOC is to monitor, prevent, detect, investigate, and the respond to the cyber threats around the clock. In this, there are around 10 to 12 people. They work in the shift wise rotationally by 24 by 7, and that means 24 the clock. Okay, they have a dedicated tool called sim. In that they will get the alerts or threads in that tool. They have to work on it, if they will get an alert and they have to assign to themselves, and they have to analyze whether the attacker is out from the coming to outbound or inbound, and they have to rectify that one. Okay, and coming back to whatever I'm going to teach you are upcoming content and daily part wise, nothing but cybersecurity and so on as well. These are some and there are some other hacking tutorials in my YouTube channel. Please go and check it if you are interested. Okay, and the next slide is cybersecurity SOC. When I say uh, when I say the I say cybersecurity SOC earlier, it is not only included cybersecurity SOC, but also it include other security technologies and operational support of L1, L2, L3 implementation. Implementation means they have to have to implement some agents and troubleshooting also. There are the part of them. You have to choose which technology is suitable for your career growth for already who is working professionals, and also choose the and also for the freshers, which is good. You the freshers have to choose the correct domain for their growth in the in their entire field. Okay, I will explain each and everything in depth analysis of the security technologies and next slides. Okay, before knowing about the security technologies, what we have, first we will explain about what is cybersecurity and SOC, hacking and objective of the hacker, and how many types of hackers. I already explained about the cybersecurity and SOC. Okay, so I didn't explain again. Okay, before going to this one, why is cybersecurity we have to choose the as a career path? Because if we go to the development part or any other part, they have to learn a lot of languages like C, HTML, Java, JavaScript, JS, like the something are there. They have to go on learning and teaching. They have to update their self and go on like that. If it is also uh, if the AI will come, that jobs are replaced, will replace that people. In coming to cybersecurity, it is not replaced by AI because the initial analysis part have to do by the human only. They are called cybersecurity analyst or security analyst or SOC analyst. Okay, they have to done by ourselves only. The AI will doesn't take that analysis part. If it right, it will do that blocking part or prevention part or anything like other thing, but it doesn't do the analysis part. Okay, we have to analyze that one only. for for this reason, our jobs are safety for the long term. And also, if we learn the basics of network related concepts, we can jump to other technologies also, like EDR. Like I will explain later that one. Okay, when coming to uh, hacking, so hacking is nothing but attacker or intruder or maybe a threat actor or malicious actor. He will try to compromise or steal the data or credentials or privacy of the data. So that is nothing but unauthorized access. For example, passport numbers, mobile numbers, Aadhaar card or voter ID. Your credentials like username and password of bank accounts are they are confidential. So attacker or hacker, what he will do is try to be hacking. He will do the blackmailing with our data. This will impact to the single person or to a organization. When I say organization, all all way you have to think about to the business point of view. So every organization contains business databases, applications or servers, endpoints, and a network and so on. That particular data should not disclose to the hacker or intruder or attacker, right? That is the confidential data that should not be disclosed to the hacker. If that data disclosed to hacker, obviously we will lose our confidentiality data, whatever the organization it is maintaining in the uh, in that databases. So if we lose our data means that organization has lose their reputation and projects. If project means project loses means profit also loses, and project losses means there is no profits, and they couldn't run the organization, right? So when similar way attacker will do the couple of monitoring functions are object to object of hackers, objective of hacker, and easy way of earning money and stealing of data. Okay, when coming to easy way of earning money, so hacker will compromise your email accounts or Instagram account or net banking accounts, or people like personal accounts, like we have some other personal accounts, right? Like a bank accounts and so on. He will change your credentials, or he will create other accounts with your names, and finally get the unauthorized access. So that is the first object of the hacker, and the second one is stealing of data. Most of the people get confused in this point, right? uh, may people think that attacker or hacker will not do anything with the data what he has stolen. That is very wrong. That is the big mistake. Okay, for example, if I may be a hacker, so I have the data of how to make iPhone 16. In that similar way, any pharma related drug information data, or any banking sector information. So if they don't have any copyrights or patents, so from that stolen data I can make my own product, right? Or own drug, or I can create a own banking service with my name. So always we have to make sure that stealing of data is very very important from the attacker point of view. So coming to next slide, types of hackers. Okay, in this there are three types of hackers. There are other types of hackers also, but that not that much of important. These three are very important. So what is the difference between these three types of hackers? So when coming to black hat hackers, um, there are complete real hackers. They have code knowledge, they have programming knowledge, and how to compromise the database, servers, applications, and so on. They have the total knowledge, a complete knowledge of hacking, right? When coming to black hat hackers, they have no knowledge of black hat hackers, but they are internal employees of organization, so we can consider them as a authorized hackers. They will do the testings on the devices. If there any vulnerabilities are there, they will come raise the ticket to the product owners. Then they that loopholes or vulnerabilities will be fixed by the owners. Okay, when coming to gray hat hackers, they are a combination of both black hat and white hat hackers. They are not malicious, but these are not always ethical side. They do it for their enjoyment. Why? Because they simply they will enjoy while doing that simple hacking things, right? Okay, and based on training technologies, some of the universities adding the, these curricular in their syllabus, like CSE cybersecurity, CSE cloud engineering, CSE data analytics, CSE machine learning and AI, and so on. Okay, now coming to cybersecurity, there are different types of domains or subdomains of security. In this slide, the first five securities are old securities, but still we are using these securities from the era of computer was invented. And the next securities are the trending securities in the market. Okay, coming back to trending securities, like application security. This application security is day by day usage of application is increasing, because the usage of internet is increased at the time of pandemic. Ambani is also gave the free internet for everyone, to improve his to widespread his geo, right? Next one is cloud security. Nowadays, everyone is migrating from on-premises to cloud. On-premises means that in their organization they have the servers, right? That that one are moving to cloud. Some servers are not all that one. Okay, are data centers to cloud. So there are many reasons that we can see later. Okay, next one is product security. The security is applicable to that applicable to not not like consulting companies like TCS, Infosys, or Wipro, Accenture. Okay, this is applicable to who is developing the product. That may be Google, Amazon, Philips, Motorola, and so on. These companies require product security. Okay, next one is cyber security. So cyber security is very important from the organization point of view. So whatever the hacker they're trying to do part hacking part, so 24 by 7 we have to monitor respect to organization or a customer or a client data should not disclose to the hacker. Uh, okay, this is the part of cybersecurity. When coming to mobile security, so whoever developing the applications in the this one mobiles like Apple or Samsung and such there na? And every application they have they develop in their mobile, and also whatever the physical raw data is existing in the mobile, we should take care of the we should take care of that applications, whether they have the vulnerabilities or any loopholes. We have to check that one, that when coming to iOS or Android also. Okay, and the 11th one is OT, IoT, and IIoT securities. We will explain this on next coming slides. Okay, I will explain these securities in the next slide. Okay, and coming to first one, information security. This information security means nothing but collection of data. That information, not the information security. Information is nothing but collection of data. So that particular data may be confidential or restricted or internal data. So under the information security, we have sub branches like GRC. It is nothing but auditing. Every organization have the two types of auditing. One is security audit, and the another one is financial audit. The security audit is done by our GRC team, and financial audit is done by chartered accounts. Implementation: every organization has to maintain the couple of basic things. Those things are HR policies, legal policies, and admin, transport, and yeah, okay, and every employee personal and professional information, like health, technical, and benefits as well. These have to be implemented by the um, this team, information security team. Risk management: um, every organization faces risk, right? For those risks we have to do assessment on the endpoint side and application side also. From organization or customer or client point of view, we can make sure that what is risk involved, how many types of risks, and what is the mitigation steps, and finally how we can mitigate the risk. Okay, we have to do these parts in the risk management part. Okay, and coming to incident response, every organization has to maintain business continuity planning without any issues, right? uh, that means unavailability, or there are any dropping of that applications, like for example transfer of money. Okay, we faces many issues in that one, transfer of money. For example, if we want to transfer the money to your mom or dad or any friends, we can see that one, your bank where your bank server is down at this moment in the phone pay or and gpay or anything. Okay, that we have to maintain that availability to the customer. They will may leave the banks if we didn't availability of that one once. Okay, when coming to physical security, we should uh, we should aware of this physical security as well also. Okay, if you want to become CISO of the company, CISO means who is the head of the security, all the securities, like endpoint security, network security, and other cyber security, or and this one security guards, who all are we are all under comes in the CISO. Okay, who's the head of the security for the company. Okay, this is not a technical point of view. This is the physical side. In any organization, security guards are available. Whenever unknown person entering, he will stop that person without access card, right? He want to allow him. All these are under the physical security. Every organization has to take care of physical securities controls for business continuity. Okay, and coming to endpoint security, what is endpoint here? It is nothing but end user machine, that may laptop, MacBook, desktop, printers, servers, and so on. If we want to protect our or prevent of attacks on endpoints, we call it as a endpoint security or endpoint protection. Okay, what are the different types of solutions implement under endpoint security? We have to implement EDR, next agent antivirus, next generation antivirus. We have to eliminate this traditional antivirus in this part. Okay, and XDR. In the similar way, we have to implement DLP, encryption, HIDS and HAPS. HIDS and HAPS means host introduction system and host intro intrusion prevention system, and mobile device management also. Each and every one what we are implement are the tools. For these tools, we have a lot of vacancies in this part. Okay, for the freshers, there is a lot of vacancies in the endpoint security. And the next one is network security. Network security is also called as perimeter security. So nothing but basically internet facing here most of the attacks. This is the first phase which is facing the internet and to the connection to the organization. Okay, attackers. So in this, attackers come from the internet. That may be phishing attack, or drive-by download. In the organization point of view, we have to implement, or we have to implement the network solutions. Those are next generation firewall, next generation firewall. Okay, and the next one is proxy server or a secret web gateway. Proxy server is also called as secret web gateway. And the third one is NIDS and NIPS. Here, before we have seen that HIDS and HAPS, here we call as NIDS and NIPS, nothing but network intrusion detection system and a network intrusion prevention system. Okay, and the next one is a load balancer. Here it will load the balance of the internet. Okay, hmm, simple. Okay, we can see that in the next in that analysis. Okay, we also we have L1, L2, L3 position of vacancies. These are also tools, no need of manual efforts in this. Okay, next one is infrastructure security. This is not only belongs to the servers. It will contains Windows servers, Linux servers, or storage or backup databases, or all of our laptops, MacBooks, everything. But especially security side, what is infrastructure? Whatever the servers we do have, we have to do the scanning of servers. And for that one, we have used couple of tools. The process will call it as vulnerability management and vulnerability assessment. Okay, we have to run the scan, and we have to identify is there any vulnerability are existing in, and finally in the vulnerability scan. Okay, and we have to take care of that vulnerability fixed by the respect to server team. Okay, we will uh, contact them respective team to patch up them. Okay, and by raising the ticket, what is our role is creating the scan rules and policies. Okay, running the scan and identify the vulnerability and assessment of respective owner and fixing the vulnerabilities and reverting on the re-auditing them. After patching them, we have to again we have to check that once whether they are fixed or not. If they are not fixed, we have to again revert to that particular team. Now coming to trending securities, 6 to 12 application mobile security, OT, IoT are these are the same limited. We have the limited people in this in this field, in this market. So let's go discuss about this. Okay, these are some same as it is almost by covering SLDC life cycle requirement, design, development, uh, test, and release. Okay, we have to provide security by coordinating with the respective team, by coordinating software architecture or product owner, and by coordinating we will all the developers, by coordinating with the testing tools. Mm, in this way, we have to do security testing, and final once our testing side we are confirmed that there are no issues are existing or no problems or no loopholes or no vulnerabilities, then we can confirm to the respective application owner or product owner. Then we release to that public. If we take any mobile, in that there are some application site inbuilt, we have to check that them whether there are any vulnerabilities or loopholes in that. In that we have to check and report to the who is the owner of the application or owner of the product. Okay, for this security, only one drawback is there. At least we have know the knowledge of programming language. If you know any of them like Java, .NET, C, C++, they can enable for this role. Okay, and the next one is cloud security. Whatever in this whatever in the on premises, we are deploying endpoint security solutions, network and cyber security solutions. Everything we have to implement cloud as well. That may be AWS, GCP, Azure, and so on. Like AWS means Amazon Web Services, GCP is the Google one, and Azure is the Microsoft one. Okay, couple of security solutions we have to provide that inbuilt or on native cloud services, or that may be third party, like bring your own device or services. Like we have in this cloud, we have all this in the sim or EDR, but we are taking that another services like from CrowdStrike from EDR side, and SIM side is there are IBM, Sumo Logic, IBM QRadar, Sumo Logic, and some other things are there. They also we have to implement in that one. There the couple of services are we are providing in this cloud security, like IAM means identity and access management, and last one is logging and monitoring. And the next one is compliance, the S3 bucket, key vault, firewall, and security group, network access control list, DOS protection, firewall protection. There are so many things we have to enable to make sure that whenever the application is migrating to on premises to cloud environment, or maybe direct from the scratch, we are deploying applications on the cloud side. That may be PaaS, SaaS, or IaaS. PaaS means product as a service, SaaS means service as a service, software as a service. IaaS like other, this thing we will discuss on the next one. Okay, according to that one, implement sufficient access control from the security point of view. Okay, and finally cloud security, and finally the cloud security is this one, and finally uh, cyber security. Okay, and cyber security is basically 24 by 7, as I earlier discussed in the before template. Okay, before slide. 24 by 7 monitoring, and for single console. Okay, uh, single console means sim. Here we use sim, but why? But we have so many tools, and we have and more security domains availability. Then why single tool? Why single console is required? Okay, we will discuss that one. From this console we can take care of overall analysis. There is no need of other security tools. Everything we can analysis, closing of the ticket, and compromising scenarios and infection, cleaning everything, taken care of itself. Remembering, okay, as I said earlier, in the there is a one particular tool in that they will get the alerts, right? That part will take care of in the sim tool. Okay, that is called that is what I said here in the single console or a single tool. Okay, when everything, one thing I am remember itself, remember one thing. Only we can do analysis part, but not we can't change or modify the rules or policies in other securities. Other securities means EDR or network. Okay, the vulnerability, they have in that there are some particular rules and policies are implemented in that particular security tools. In from that sim tool we can't change them. We can only analysis that one. Analysis of logs. Okay, logs means uh, what the activities are doing in the endpoint systems or servers. Okay, that logs will collect in the sim tool. Okay, uh, in if there is no sim tool, in this case sim tool is not there, that then blame game will happen. If in the organization one of the attack occurs, here that may belongs to server side. Server has got compromised. Okay, the ticket went to endpoint security. Then they will say like this, this is not our my side, please go and contact with the other team. Then we will go to the network security team. Okay, they will say like this, we this is not, we will contact to network security team. Then they will say like that, it is not my job, and we go to other security team. Okay, if we go another security team, they will also say like that. By this way the blame game will happen. Okay, if this happens in the other part of the site, the system, other systems also got compromised, and the infection will be increased in the in the organization. It will infect to the other devices also, like laptops, computers, and other servers also. Okay, by that data may lose, reputation of the company will damage, and losing of money, projects will lose, and losing of profits. For that uh, for that reason, we need single unified team required to take care of overall analysis and investigation. Okay, we can use cybersecurity tool that that is sim tool. It is used under the SOC team. So SOC team is 24 by 7 operational team, as I said earlier. Okay, under this one we have L1, L2, L3. In this way overall escalation take care of, and finally to maintain, uh, take care of this up scenarios. Okay, and finally to maintain all these people, one of the dedicated person take care of that. Okay, he is called manager. He will do management and take care of technical side as well also. Okay, so this is a overall cybersecurity demo. Okay, from here what we need to become a cybersecurity analyst or SOC analyst, at least we need from educational background side, we need bachelor of degree. That may be BSc or BZc or basic chemistry, anything like BCom, BA, anything, BTech or MBA, MSc, like that, BEd or so anything. At least we need uh, 10th 10th inter. He or she has to study 10th or 10th inter and any bachelor of degree. Okay, and another knowledge he or she should have, system knowledge, how the system will work, how operating of system, that knowledge have to be mandatory. Okay, and the next one is English or soft skill. That English is very very necessary in this field, in not only in this field, in any IT industries or any IT technologies, we need the English. Okay, why? Because we have to communicate with the other countries people. We, for the project wise or yeah, any issues are occur, we have to communicate with the other countries people. They only know English and their mother tongue language. They don't know our Telugu or Hindi or any other languages in India. So that we need English. uh, Okay, if that, this is the technical part, only 30% and the 70% have to manage by the English only. If you are, if you have to survive in the IT industry, you have to must know about English and you have to speak English very well. Okay, and coming to the tools, what we have to cover is necess necess for vulnerability management, and LR, Splunk, Exabeam, and QRadar. This is IBM QRadar, and this is the part of SIM tool. As I said, the SOC people will use that one. Okay, and the EDR. Coming to EDR, Sophos, CrowdStrike, and Defender, and other some are Microsoft. Yeah, also there. This part is under to EDR, and FortiGate and Palo Alto is for firewall. Firewall means network security team. ServiceNow is the ticketing tool. As I said, in the SIM tool, we get the tickets. We have to use the ticketing tool also. Okay, and then NPOP for scanning purpose, and map, and Wireshark is for the mostly used in the network security. Wireshark, how the packets are going, what is the packets are going, they have to check in this Wireshark. Okay, and the process monitoring and process explorer. This is the overall explanation of security, cyber security, and other technologies. We will all cover these securities as well. Okay, we are not only the cyber security SOC, and we will also cover these cyber security tools also. So this is the overall content of cybersecurity demo. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like. And if you have any doubts, please comments in the section. I will give the replies. If you want to uh, contact me directly, my details are in the description. You can contact me from that number also. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.